As a young boy of 14 in 1955 living in East Germany, I never could have imagined the incredible adventure ahead. It was a time when the Iron Curtain stood tall, dividing our nation and our dreams. The oppressive regime suffocated our spirits. But my mother, oh my brave mother, hatched a plan that would change our lives forever. It was a chilly autumn evening when my mother called us into her room, her eyes filled with determination and a hint of fear. She whispered urgently, "Children, we cannot stay here any longer. We deserve freedom, a life without constant surveillance and limitations. We're going to escape to West Berlin." My heart raced with excitement and trepidation. Escape? The idea seemed impossible, yet my mother's unwavering resolve gave me hope.